Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Motor Yacht Sea Explorer, Sea Explorer, Sea Explorer. Our position is 38 degrees north, 123 degrees west. We are abandoning ship due to heavy flooding. There are 6 people on board. We are deploying life raft and abandoning the vessel. We required immediate assistance. Sea Explorer is a 40-foot motor yacht. Weather conditions are heavy seas, high winds. We have life jacket, EPIRB, and flares. This is Sea Explorer position 38 degrees north, 123 degrees west. Abandoning ship, over. Pan 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 pan. This is sailing vessel Ocean Breeze, Ocean Breeze, Ocean Breeze. Our position is 34 degrees north, 118 degrees west. We are preparing to abandon ship due to taking on water. The situation is urgent but not immediately life-threatening. There are 4 people on board. We are preparing life raft and monitoring the situation. We require assistance as soon as possible. This is Ocean Breeze, position 34 degrees north, 118 degrees west, preparing to abandon ship, over. Security, security, security. This is Motor Yacht Sea Explorer, Sea Explorer, Sea Explorer. Our position is 38 degrees north, 123 degrees west. We are abandoning our vessel due to engine failure. And the vessel 40-foot motor yacht and may pose a hazard to navigation. Vessels in the area are advised to exercise caution. This is Sea Explorer, over.